Every time someone orders a Recon Quadruped kit, it's more than just another order. It's the beginning of someone's robotics journey. The very first thing I do is start printing every 3D part one by one. Then I carefully clean and finish each piece because I want it to look as good as it performs. Next, I sort every screw, every nut, and every bolt, making sure you have exactly what you need, plus a few extras just in case. All the delicate electronics are packed into their own protective pouches so they arrive safely. Then I fold each box by hand, add a layer of bubble wrap, and place every component inside with care. Before I close it, I add the kit overview manual to guide you through the build and a thank you card. Turn it over. There's a little surprise waiting for you. Once everything is in place, I seal the box, add the final stickers, pack it for shipping, and send it on its way. Because I'm not just shipping a box of parts, I'm sending you an idea, a challenge, and hopefully the beginning of your own journey into robotics. I'll see you when your recon arrives.